For this episode, guys, pag-uusapan po natin yung step-by-step process sa pagbili ng property. So, hindi na po natin patatagalin. Let's start! Hello guys! Welcome po to our YouTube channel. Kung first time niyo po ako mapanood, my name is Romina Babijes. I am your trusted PHIRST accredited and DHSCD licensed real estate sales agent. I make vlogs about real estate, especially po yung mga frequently asked questions or FAQs ng mga homeowners and first-time home buyers. First step guys is research. Very, very important. Dapat po mauna lagi si research even before ka pa makipag-usap kay agent or broker. You should be knowledgeable enough so that when you ask questions and a professional explain the answers, nakakasabay po tayo sa mga jargons and terminologies na binabanggit niya. It's also useful if you want to see kung yung kausap mo po ba na agent is maalam talaga sa product na in-offer niya, sa process ng developer, or sa industry itself, sa real estate, or gumagamit lang ba siya ng big words to sound smart, to sound credible, hoping na makuha niya yung tiwala mo and mapag-reserve ka niya. So, ano yung mga dapat po nating i-research? Number one, guys, is basic terminologies. Ano ang ibig sabihin ng RFO? What does it mean when we say pre-selling? Ano ang difference ng reservation fee and down payment? What is financing? So on and so forth. Kaya po tayo gumagawa ng mga ganitong contents para makatulong din po sa mga viewers natin out there na maging equipped po with enough knowledge before making any big purchases. Next po na kailangan natin i-research is of course yung binibili nating property. Kilalang developer ba yan? Yung project nasaan? Yung area, bahaing ba yan? Malapit ba siya sa fault line? Gaano siya ka-accessible? And ano yung mga ongoing development sa area? Lastly, when it comes to buying a property, hindi lang po si developer yung importanteng pag-aralan. Choosing the right agent is just as important. Mind you guys ha, dito po sa industry, meron tayong mga tinatawag na fly-by-night agents. Either hindi talaga sila accredited ng developer or hindi sila accredited ng PRC or sila yung mga tipo ng ahente na palagi pong lumilipat ng company from one developer to another for allowance purposes. Pagka wala na po silang makuhang allowance, lilipat na naman po sila ng ibang developer. So, pwede nyo rin pong itanong yun ngayon sa kausap nyo na agent. Gano'n na ba siya katagal dito sa industry? Let's say, for example, sinabi niya 2 years na daw siya sa real estate. Ask kung nakailang developers na siya in the span of those 2 years. Kasi possible po, baka mamaya every 3 months pala lumilipat siya ng company. So at your own risk po kung pipiliin niyo sila as your agent. Tandaan niyo guys, real estate po is a long-term commitment. Ayaw naman natin na hanggang sa reservation lang pala magaling si agent. Tapos pag kailangan niyo na po ng tulong niya after sales along the buying process, mahihirapan na kayo kasi hindi niyo na po makontak si agent. Actually, as simple as typing his or her name sa Facebook and sa Google to check if meron bang mga posts about him. Baka mamaya scammer pala yung kausap mo, nagtiwala ka agad, naglabas ka agad ng pera. So, you know, those things can save you from the headaches and hassles na pwede nyo namang maiwasan if you just do your research. Also, sa Facebook nyo rin po makikita and sa mga social media platforms ni agent kung gano'n na ba kadami yung mga satisfied sa service niya. Gano'n na ba kadami yung mga clients na natulungan niya throughout the years. If you think meron na kayong basic knowledge sa mga gusto nyong itanong, our next step po is inquiry. These days, marami na pong ways para mag-inquire. And mas madali na po ngayon because of social media. So what to ask during your inquiry? Number one, project details, unit layout, sample computation. Basically po, lahat ng gusto nyong malaman na details about doon sa property that you're interested in. Kasi lahat po iyon guys, meron na po kaming soft copy and pwede na po naming isend sa inyo. So dito pa lang guys, pwede nyo na pong ma-review if fit ba yung property sa inyo or hindi. Second is buying process and requirements. Meron pong mga developers na sila ang nag-a-apply ng housing loan nila client. Meron din namang mga developers na hanggang down payment lang talaga sila. If you are planning to apply for a housing loan, you have to ask sino po ang mag-a-apply sa'yo for bank financing. Ikaw ba or sila? And then ask your agent kung qualified ba kayo kay bank. Hopefully, si agent po ay marunong talaga mag-qualify ng client. And you also have to be honest din po kay agent. If meron ba kayong history ng foreclosed properties, unsettled or delinquent debts, kung magkano talaga yung income nyo per month. So, as early as this stage, we are already doing pre-assessment. Next naman po ay payment scheme. Tanungin nyo po kung ano yung mga included sa TCP or total contract price, ano yung mga available payment terms. If you are buying a pre-selling property, you have to ask kung ilang months na lang po pwede isettle si down payment. Kung napanood nyo na po yung vlog ko last time about payment terms, nabanggit ko po doon that we have different types of payment terms. So as a recap, the first type is spot cash, wherein the buyer will settle almost the whole amount of TCP 1 month after reservation. So the reason why I said almost, not the whole amount, is because meron po kasing amount na tinitira ang mga developers kapag under construction pa po yung property, kapag hindi po RFO. Ang tawag po natin dito is retention fee. For the amount po of retention fee, it varies per developer and it's only payable once the unit becomes RFO or ready for occupancy. Next payment term, guys, is deferred cash, wherein the TCP will be divided equally into 24 months. Wala pong discount si deferred cash, pero the good thing naman po is wala din pong interest si deferred cash. So instead of paying everything in one go, you get to pay it in smaller chunks with zero interest. And then, after 24 months, fully paid ka na po sa property. So, yung last type po ng payment terms is yung merong down payment. Normally, ang down payment po is payable via installment. During this stage, guys, ito po yung time na kailangan yung magtanong ng magtanong. Huwag po kayo mahihiya, wala pong bayad ang mag-inquire. If okay na, meron na po kayong napiling unit, okay na kayo sa kausap nyo na agent, okay na kayo sa price and sa payment scheme, pwede na po kayong mag-proceed sa next stage, which is reservation. For the reservation, guys, there are 2 ways to reserve your unit. You can do it the traditional way. You can schedule a face-to-face meeting with your agent, and then pwede rin po tayo mag-schedule ng site visit or tripping para isang puntahan na lang. And then, pag nagustuhan nyo po yung location and yung project itself, pwede na po kayong mag-proceed sa reservation. Or you can also do what majority of my clients prefer, especially po yung mga clients ko abroad. We can do an online reservation. For the reservation, ito lang po yung mga kailangan natin isubmit. Reservation fee, valid ID, and filled up reservation forms. For the valid IDs, guys, kailangan po malinaw yung picture. Buo yung picture, hindi putol, tsaka kita lahat ng details. Kailangan din po, of course, active pa yung ID or updated. Ibig sabihin, hindi pa expired yung ID. And last but not the least, yung pirma po natin sa ID, dapat po nagmamatch doon sa 3 specimen signatures. Kung married po si buyer or meron siyang co-buyer, kailangan din po nilang mag-submit ng 2 valid IDs, si spouse at saka si co-buyer. Kung nasa ibang bansa naman po si client, si AIF po or si official representative, kailangan niya rin pong mag-provide ng 2 valid IDs. And also, pwedeng siya na rin po yung mag-sign on your behalf. Don't worry, hindi niyo pa po kailangan ng SPA during reservation. For the complete housing loan requirements, gagawa po ako ng vlog. Yun po yung next topic natin. So, abangan niyo na lang po yun and hindi ko na po siya i-discuss dito. After valid IDs, yung next naman po na reservation requirements is yung mga documents. So, kailangan lang po natin pirmahan and fill upan yung reservation forms. Reservation forms may vary per developer, pero normally, ito po yung mga included or yung mga common sa lahat ng reservation forms natin. Last requirement natin, guys, sa reservation, syempre, kahit pag-submit po tayo ng valid IDs and completely filled up reservation forms, magiging official lang po yung reservation natin once we provide yung proof of payment natin ng reservation. Kung nagbayad po tayo ng reservation fee via online payment, whether through GCash, PayMaya, or online banking, usually, meron pong mga email receipts yan per transaction. If you can forward po yung mismong email, mas maganda. Pero if hindi po available si e-receipt or wala po kayong na-receive, a clear screenshot would do. Basta malinaw po yung screenshot and visible po yung mga important details like yung amount, amount, transaction date, yung account number ng receiver, yung sender, and also yung reference number, of course. Now guys, a word of caution, if hindi po ako yung kausap nyong agent and hindi po kayo sa akin magre-reserve or kukuha ng property, just make sure lang po na yung pagsisendan nyo ng pera or ng reservation fee is account number talaga ng developer. And hindi po account number ni agent. Never, and I repeat, never po dapat dumaan ang pera sa ahente. Your payment should be deposited directly to the company's account number. For the complete reservation requirements, kung meron pang ibang requirements na hindi ko nabanggit, I will send it to you after my pre-assessment. Yung next step naman po after reservation is down payment. Basically guys, this is the amount that you need to settle directly to the company before you can apply for any housing loan. The only time na magkakaroon ka po ng down payment is when you will apply for a mortgage or a housing loan. If hindi naman, if babayaran mo po ng cash yung property, then wala ka pong magiging down payment. During down payment po, wala pa tayong interest. Zero interest kasi wala pa pong financing institution na involved dito. So, hindi pa tayo nanghihiram kay bank. Diretso pa po tayo kay developer nagbabayad ng monthly. Anyway, your next step po after down payment is the housing loan. Just to reiterate, tayo po ay developer assisted. So, good news po ito for all the buyers out there kasi hindi na po si client yung required mag-apply ng sarili nilang housing loan. Para less hassle na po on your part and also mas mataas po yung chance natin ma-approve sa home loan. You'll notice guys, lagi pong mauuna si housing loan before si turnover. Kasi po, hindi pwedeng mag-move-in ka muna bago mo mabayaran ng buo si company. And remember, just because fully paid ka na po sa down payment, it doesn't mean fully paid ka na rin po sa TCP. Meron pa tayong outstanding balance na kailangan bayaran either through cash or financing. Just so we're clear, hindi po enough na ma-approve ka lang ni bank. Ang kailangan po is makapag-loan release muna tayo or makapag-loan takeout before tayo maging eligible for turnover. When we say loan release or loan takeout, it means nabayaran na po ni bangko si developer. Ano yung clear sign na nakapag-loan release ka na or loan takeout? Well, number 1, mag-email po sila sa inyo to confirm. And number 2, kapag nag-start na po kayo ng monthly kay bangko. After loan release and supposing fully constructed na po yung unit natin, your next step will be turnover. Before your turnover, mag-i-email po sa inyo si developer for your schedule of house inspection. Bago ka po pumunta sa inspection, I want you to make a list of everything that you need to ask. Ano yung protocol ni company for water and electricity, magkano yung HOA, if allowed ng expansion, paano ang process, meron bang specific time frame bago ka payagan ni company mag-renovate, requirements for major and minor improvement, paano yung arrangement ng basura, so on and so forth. Of course, pwede nyo rin naman pong itanong sa amin itong mga questions na to sa agents, but syempre, iba pa din kung maririnig nyo po directly from the proper department yung explanation. Kung maririnig nyo po directly from the engineers and the technical team and the turnover team, yung explanations po sa questions natin about moving in, turnover, or about dun sa property itself. During punch listing or house inspection, guys, take a lot of videos and pictures para documented po if ever meron kayong mga findings na kailangan ipa-repair. For the schedule of turnover, magkakaiba po ang timeline. Depende po sa unit. Pre-selling ba yan or RFO? House and lot ba yan? Condominium or lot only? So, wala po tayong fixed timeline for all units. Okay, iba-iba po ang schedule for turnover. Basta yung sure ko lang po, guys, is once gawa na po yung unit natin, fully constructed na po, and kapag fully paid na rin po kayo kay developer, either through cash or financing, saka lang po kayo magiging eligible for turnover. So, guys, pag may agent po na nagsabi sa inyo na down payment lang, pwede nang mag-move in, alam nyo na. After your turnover, syempre, yung last po na document na hihingin natin kay developer is yung title or titulo. Kung naka-bank financing po tayo guys, yung original title po natin is mapupunta kay bangko. As collateral po yun ng property na niloan natin sa kanila. Once you're fully paid already, saka nyo lang po makukuha yung original na copy kapag fully paid na po kayo kay bangko. Pero pwede naman po kayong kumuha ng certified true copy po ng title kay Registry of Deeds. Kung nag-spot cash naman po kayo, hindi kayo nag-bank financing, of course, mas mabilis po yung pagkuha natin ng original copy. For the timeline of title naman, iba-iba din po guys kasi involved na dito ang LGU or Local Government Unit. Pero as a rule of thumb, 6 months to 1 year po after your loan release kapag matagal na pong existing yung community. Ibig sabihin, marami na pong nakapag-turnover dun sa project na yon. Pero kung pre-selling naman po, based on experience, minsan inaabot siya ng 2 to 3 years or more kasi isa-subdivide pa nila yung title. From the mother title, isa-subdivide pa po nila yon to the individual homeowners. So that's it for our vlog today. I hope may bago po kayong natutunan sa akin ngayon. And if you're interested, please message me on our Facebook page, Viber, or WhatsApp number so I can assist you properly and para masendan ko rin po kayo ng complete details before tayo mag-schedule ng site tripping. Once again, this is Romina, your trusted and licensed real estate sales agent. Thank you po for watching. Bye!